Brother Jerry, brother Jerry, this is for you. So I went and picked these. I think I picked all of them. These are all my winter radishes. So they're actually done. So it got in the 70s the last few days. I can tell the leaves were starting to change to a more thickness, which in turn would make these become like woody, right? So I picked them, and I think I picked them just in time. So nice and crunchy. They're not woody. But if I let them go for another day or two, all these would have become like woody, because this is when you actually plant like a new batch. These are my winter ones. They grew all winter. Right? And this, Brother Jerry, this is from the radishes from last year that I let go to seed. What I do, brother? You can plant radishes anywhere in your property, man. I put the seeds, these in here, and I put them in a jar, germinate them in water overnight. In a few days, I have radish sprouts. Excellent for you, man, for your epidemiology. Radish sprouts, Brussels sprouts, broccoli sprouts, any kind of sprout, even sweet pea sprouts. Yeah, sprouts are good for you. Some sort of chemical, and I forgot what it is. Some sort of amino acid that's really healthy. So this is I picked these are different kinds of mints. I picked them last year and let them dry. In fact, here's a container of them. Let them dry. Then I put them in containers, or I'll cook them down. Process them down in a coffee grinder so that they're like, little flakes like you would find in a tea bag or something. So this is what it looks like. There's nothing in here, just the tea, just the mints. You don't need to add anything, man. I can taste the natural mint oils and the natural sugars that's in there. Don't need to add nothing, right? Nothing, honey. It's sort of got enough natural sugars that it grew with, and every living organism has to have sugars. So when it dies, it's still got sugars in it. And if we get away from all that sugar stuff, right, we can start tasting the natural level of sugar in things. Start throwing all that honey and stuff in there. I was taking honey, brother, and I tell you what, I was having honey almost every day, like a tablespoon on one piece of toast, one treat. It's a 3-seed bread made from pumpkin seeds and tree seeds, stuff like that. And my sugar level went up. I went and had a blood lab. I can't eat honey. No, messes with my system. I guess some people can, they'll be fine. Some people don't have no idea they're eating that honey and developing vascular disease because of the honey. Hey, so no, they should be drinking this instead. Right from the field, man. From the field to my counter. Mint tea. Yeah. There you go, bro. They're my radishes. I've been nibbling on them. I've been picking them on and off and redoing where they were growing, because I'm going to plant some new ones there. And so I took all the winter ones out before they go woody on me, Woody Allen. All right, bro. This one's for you. This is not on YouTube, I don't think. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. You folks can pick your own, dry them out. Have tea, whatever you want, all kinds of different tea. Radishes grown through the winter, right? Make your mint tea. Don't need to add anything to it. It's nice just the way that it is. Yeehaw! Nothing needed. Bye now.